This is what the tax, if you break the tax. So I told you already that 53% is coming from direct taxes and rest from indirect taxes. If you break the tax here, where the tax is growing, where the tax is not growing. Gross tax, anyhow it grows 27 lakh crores to 42 lakh crores in the last 5 years. But what has happened to the corporate tax? You see 7 lakh crore, it just went up in spite of the rate reduction. If you have seen that in 24, 23 and 24, there's a drastic reduction in corporate tax to 25% from earlier rate of 35%. Even then, it has not fallen. Ours is the lowest corporate tax in line with the most efficient economy. So that we want the companies to come and set up here, pay less corporate tax. In spite of that, corporate tax has not dipped, so it has been growing. It is about 10.82 from 7. Non-corporate taxes is also growing. So to that, individuals also started paying to 14 lakh crores. Corporate 7 to 10. Close about 50% increase is there. Here, if you look at the personal income tax, which all the salary class and everyone pays, that has also grown from 6.5 to 13, just double. So that means what? The individuals have started paying more taxes in spite of the reduction in the tax. If you see that from 24, 25, there has been a marginal increase, but 25 to 26, they are expecting the increase to be more. Because why? They introduced a new tax system by which deduction exemption have been removed. You can opt to go for a new system or the old system. Government wants to do away with it. That has been working well for the government to see that they are having the tax buoyancy because of that. STT is the security transaction tax on stock market. That money is very less. Actually speaking, it's only about 78,000 crores expected, and it's about 55,000 crores. That has generated a lot of sentiment issues in the market. You know, the market fell down on that day because of increase in STT by around 50%. That is also a very marginal increase, but that again the market has not taken it kindly. But what it contributes in the tax is hardly 55,000 crores out of the total amount thought over that we collect of 38 lakh crores. So nominal GDP, if somebody asks what is the GDP number in lakh crore, it is about 357 lakh crore is the GDP number, nominal GDP. What is it in dollar terms? $4.3 trillion. Okay, we are the third largest. Okay, yeah. So return of income is one number I want to tell you. The returns were, how many people are filing the return? 6.9 crore in 2022. Now it has gone up to 9 crore people. For a country of this size, with a working population of 75 crores, active working population of, if I say this, increased income and all this thing, about 30 crores. I don't have people who are paying that much tax. So look at it. Even a country like US is about, even though they have a 30 crore population, they will have something around 22 crores people pay the taxes. In India, a country of 130 crores, how many people are paying the taxes? Hardly 9 crore people. So if you look at it, even for the working population, our numbers are hardly about 15 to 20%. So this is an area that we have to keep it in mind. Similarly, for the GST collections have gone up from 14 lakh crore to 22 lakh crore. Increase is about 17%. This is one of the factors the government has been very happy after GST was introduced in 17. They feel that there has been increase year after year. Initially, they were getting only 60, 70,000 crores per month. Now they are getting per month 2 lakh crores per month. That means close to 24 lakh crores they are collecting it by way of a GST. The GST is a direct indicator of how the economy is doing, because every goods that you produce, you pay the GST. That too, the GST is with the input tax credit that has been given. That means I'm not paying dual tax on that. That is getting reduced. So to that extent, this actually captures the production much efficiently than the normal kind of a VAT system or even the general excise duty that we had before. So how many taxpayers? This is one number I want you to see. GST, only 60 lakh businesses are paying taxes. Now there are 1.5 crore businesses are paying GST. So to that extent, that has also gone up close about 2.5 times. Thank you.